What a wonderful day! It's raining! The big tow truck is driving slowly, carrying the little cars. Suddenly, boom! Lightning strikes a big rock by the road. Broken pieces hit the tow truck. The tow truck falls over. Oh no! Help them!
Amazing! Let's go!
Tow truck.
Red. Yellow.
It's amazing! Come here. Okay.
Green. Blue. Purple.
Let's go!
The colorful tow truck team rushes to the rescue.
Are you ready?
Crane truck.
Wow!
The crane lifts the big tow truck back up.
Good job!
Then it carefully puts each little car onto the tow truck of the same color. Red, yellow, green, blue, and purple. Red. Yellow. Green. Blue. Purple. They all go to the repair shop. At the shop.
Oh no!
Yeah!
The red car gets a new windshield.
Nice!
Red.
Are you ready?
Oh no!
Yeah! Okay.
The yellow car gets new tires. Yellow. The blue car's bottom is fixed. Blue.
Wow!
Oh no!
The green car's seat and tire are repaired.
Very nice! Amazing!
Green.
What happened?
Purple. The purple car gets new paint. All done!
Nice.
Great job, everyone! Bye-bye! See you next time! Hey guys! If you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe! Bye-bye! See you next time!